Hello everyone. Today we will explore the process of building a beautiful structure from the ground up. She vigorously shoveled the compacted soil, her body moving rhythmically in a steady rhythm as she dug into the ground. With each shovel stroke, she loosened the soil, pulling the rich black soil towards her, gradually forming a large tilled mound. She focused, moving efficiently and powerfully as she moved across the land. She paused only briefly before continuing, digging a long, shallow trench into the landscape, shaping the soil as she wished. Once she was done, she turned her attention to a nearby pile of rocks. With gloved hands, she carefully selected rocks of different sizes and shapes, carrying them to the trench she had created. One by one, she meticulously placed them along the edge, fitting them together like pieces of a puzzle to form a sturdy, rustic border. This new edge of stone began to define the space, creating a beautiful natural retaining wall. Then she returned to her hoe, skillfully pushing and pulling loose soil from the mound back to the stone fence, backfilling and securing the wall. She continued this process, piling more stones on top, building the wall higher with precision and care. Her efforts were a testament to her perseverance, as she single-handedly transformed the land, creating a structured and functional garden bed from a simple patch of soil. At the top of the bamboo frame of the house, the woman works with quiet intensity and concentration, sitting carefully on the frame, against a backdrop of lush green mountains. She skillfully ties the bamboo poles together with steel wire, securing the joints that form the ridge of the roof. Her movements are sure and efficient, a testament to her experience as she navigates the structure with ease. After reinforcing the main frame, she moves down to begin the process of sheathing the structure. She lifts an impressive large pre-woven bamboo panel with a beautiful two-tone geometric pattern that is the product of skillful hands. With concentrated effort, she lifts the panel into place, fitting it snugly into the frame. Panel by panel, the walls of the structure take shape, some solid and others with open, interwoven sections that will act as windows. She painstakingly secured each plank, sliding them into the grooved bamboo baseboards and locking them into the uprights, transforming the open frame into a complete enclosure. With the walls in place, she turned her attention back to the roof. She gathered bundles of slender, split bamboo slats, lifted them with incredible strength, and climbed back onto the structure, forming a dense network that would serve as the foundation for the final layer of roofing. Through her patience and ingenuity, a simple frame was gradually transformed into a beautiful, comfortable home, a testament to traditional building techniques and individual resourcefulness. With the frame of the bamboo house complete, the woman embarks on the final stage of construction. She sits on the sloping bamboo trellis, carefully stacking each layer of leaves on top of the other to create a dense, waterproof layer. With gloved hands, she weaves and tucks the palm leaves into the frame below, ensuring that each piece is securely anchored against the elements. Once she reaches the top of the roof, she stands on the ridge, a position that requires both balance and strength. She lifts a specially folded V-shaped section of thatch that will be the roof of her project. She carefully places it on top, meticulously folding and tucking the palm leaves in to create a tight, seamless seal that protects the most vulnerable part of the structure. Once the roof is complete, she installs a simple but sturdy door made from vertical bamboo slats, secured with wire hinges. However, her work is not yet finished. Moving to the lot in front of the now covered house, she began preparing for a new project, before digging again with a relentless determination, ready to rebuild. Woman. Sitting deftly on bamboo slats, she uses a hammer and nails to attach thin, flat bamboo slats, creating a sturdy grid that will serve as the foundation for the new roof. With focused precision, she works on the frame, each hammer blow ringing steadily. After completing the initial grid, she gathers long, thin bamboo slats that have been pre-cut for the next step. One by one, she drags these slats onto the roof and begins to attach them vertically, creating a secondary grid that will strengthen the structure and provide attachment points for the final roofing material. She then erects the main supports for the new structure, moving the heavy bamboo slats into place and securing them to the foundations. With the main supports in place, she adds cross braces, further reinforcing the frame and ensuring stability. Her movements are a combination of careful planning and physical strength as she single-handedly assembles the entire structure, transforming the landscape with her impressive skill and determination. From foundation to finish, every detail counts. Thanks for watching. See you again.